So I mean,
Okay, good. Do you think for the purchase of this one, there was any work that needed to get done on these facilities?
no, I think it's really turnkey. I mean, eventually you'd want to do something with the irrigation, maybe. There's a couple things that could be done, but for the most part, yeah, I mean, you buy it, you'll be fine. I mean, there's nothing that urgently needs to get done.
And then the property taxes are $3,900, the utilities were $1,200, and the insurance was $2,300. And there's really no room to grow except for possibly the price per square foot. All right, so this and the after updates section is where you would add, like if you could add units, you would have them here. If you could add square footage, you would have them here. If you could increase the price, you would have it here, right? And you want to try to get it to minimum 8% vacancy, if not more, right? So on this one, since we looked at it, I mean, there's just no room to grow here. I mean, this is it. It is what it is, right? So on the Dill Analyzer, the 42 cents, this is the question that we need to answer, because you can see in the current tab, which is the blue tab, if we bought it at an 8 cap, it'd be valued at $591,000. If we bought it at a 9 cap, it would be valued at $525,000. If we bought it at a 10 cap, right, it would be at $472,000. Okay, so now we need to look at, I mean, obviously the potential is just getting it from 15% to 8%, right, which brings up the value a little bit without increasing the rents. And the after update goes from it will go from 15% to 8%, but it will also increase in the rates. So now the question is to you, the competition, there's only one competitor in this area, right? In this whole town, there's only one competitor, right?
Right.
Yeah, so what were the rates for his facility? Uh-oh, my battery is running low. Hang on. Babe, the battery for the laptop is running low. Okay, here it comes. Hopefully I don't get kicked out. Anyway, so the value is hang on just one second. The value is, oh yeah, sorry, the question was,
what are they charging?
What are they charging exactly?
Right.
Record, please.
And I can answer some of these questions. By irrigation, does he mean grading? And yeah, I mean grading. So basically just water runoff. Because you really don't want to have a problem with water on your property. That opens a new door to tons of different issues. So getting the grading done and irrigation done at the beginning of getting a facility, if it's not done right already, is a big thing that I would do first in a budget, if you have to put that in a budget.
So tell me what the competition, like, were you able, so basically the way it works for us on our Dill Analyzer is to put the unit mix in to this tab here, which basically just, when you look at the unit mix, you're going to look at what the difference is. So here's like where all of the
Uh-oh, it looks like we might have lost her.